Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell. I test different mobile hack methods, so you don't have to. Today, I tried a method that claims to give unlimited gems and coins in airplane chefs using only mobile phone. I ran through it myself and got results, so I'm sharing exactly how it went and what to expect. First thing the tools ask for is your player ID. You can find that in your profile or settings. I copied mine and kept it ready. Simple and quick step. Nothing unusual there. Next, I opened the generator site and searched for the unlimited gems and coins option for airplane chefs. The page looks like a typical generator options, a few progress messages, and a place to enter your details. Not glamorous, but straightforward enough to follow. On the form, I entered my player ID and selected my platform. I clicked Connect, watched the progress indicators, and let it run through its checks. Everything looked like it was connecting. No major red flags while this step was running. In the next step, I chose how many gems and coins I wanted. I went with a large amount to see if it would actually add up. Hit Generate, and the tool processed the request. The interface showed the usual processing messages, and then it asked me to complete a quick verification step. There was a short verification, in my case, downloading and opening a free app for a short time. I completed that exactly as instructed. It's a small extra step, but I followed it to be thorough. After finishing the verification, I reopened Airplane Chefs and checked my gems and coins balance. The new resources were there, the balance increased to match what I requested. So in my test, the method did deliver the resources. It was quick and appeared in the game within minutes. So here's the bottom line. I tested this Airplane Chefs hack and it worked for me. The gems and coins showed up after completing the required verification. If you try it, make sure to follow each step exactly and be careful during verification. If you found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more real-world tests like this. If you want, I can do a follow-up where I test the method again after a week to see if anything changes. Thanks for watching.